Guys, I want to welcome y'all back to the Rolling Grill. Hey, had an opportunity to go to one of my favorite stores during this quarantine crisis, Namde Moon. If you don't know Namde Moon is filled with everything, man. It's Asian farmers market, has everything. And if you're in and around Atlanta and you don't want to fight the crowds over at Publix and Kroger, this place is loaded, man. So don't be afraid to go in there. Take your precautionary measures like you take to go to any grocery store. But let me tell you something, and I'll just let you see it for yourself. It's loaded, man. And it's got beautiful produce. It's got beautiful seafood. It's got any kind of meat you ever want to cook.
Do you know what you want?
Asian farmers markets are the way to go. Yeah, boy. You know, this is where I come when I'm looking for inspiration on new videos to shoot or new recipes to try. I mean, I'll just come in here and walk around for a good hour, maybe an hour and a half, just trying to get inspired on what to cook. I mean, look at it. They got pork belly. They got it all, man. I mean, you talking about really good prices, especially right about now. Beef, short ribs, you name it, man. Ribs, anyone? I think we're going to go ahead and take a few packs of these to the house with us. You know, I came to the store because I really knew I wanted to do some seafood. I just didn't know what kind of seafood. I mean, you got soft shell blue crab, you name it. But I know I want to do some seafood, and I'm thinking, because I've seen these before, fresh tilapia. I'm not really interested in that, but these fish heads. I think I'm going to do some smoked fish heads on my Lang smoker. Smoked fish heads marinated in garlic and green onion teriyaki. That's what we're doing today, right here on the Rolling Grill. Yeah, boy. All right, let's get started. We took the fish heads and washed and rinsed them off real good. We're going to go ahead and put those in a 2-gallon Ziploc bag. And basically all we're going to do, you see all that fat meat on there? I mean, these heads are full of meat, and these are salmon heads. Full of meat, man. This is some seriously good eating. And we're just going to do a simple marinade with the garlic and green onion teriyaki. Let it sit in the refrigerator for probably about 2 hours, and then we'll throw them on the grill. And that's pretty much the process right there. It's real simple, a lot of good eating. You know, as always, whenever you marinate, you want to make sure you shake it up real good. And then be sure to press out all the air, sit it in the fridge, go ahead and get that smoker fired up, baby. All right, y'all, it's been 2 hours. All we want to do now is place them on a pre-greased cooking rack, just to ensure that they don't stick. And these are salmon heads, plenty of good fat, plenty of delicious meat. And that's a simple process right there. We're going to start with the head up, meat down, put them on the top rack of this Lang 48 smoker, and we'll get the process started. All right, like I mentioned before, we're going to start off on the top rack. And generally on this Lang smoker, the top rack is pretty much where you're going to get the most heat. But we're not really running a hot fire today. We're probably going to stay right around 250, maybe 275. And that's it. Fish heads on, lid closed. Let's get the fire right. All right, today we're smoking over a combination of pecan and cherry wood.
Okay, that's it.
Well,
Probably about
now.
250.
I had a chicken in the fridge. I put it in there, but if somebody
And this is what they look like right now.
Put it in there. I mean, you know what I'm saying?
Let me open it up. Social distancing.
It's not a lot. You know, it's cooked in there, huh?
We're going to let them roll for probably about another 20 minutes, and we'll take them off, and we'll see what they're talking about. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, boy.
Okay, well.
All right. Let's open it up. All right. I just flipped them over, but you got to season them. We never season them. So let's hit them with a little dust. I don't care what season you use, just use something that you like. These are the collars right here. Good eating right there. Collars, good eating. All this right here is plenty of meat. And that's it. We're going to leave them here for about another 15, 20 minutes. Fish heads, y'all. Right here on the Rolling Grill Barbecue. Yeah, boy. All right, y'all. We getting ready to take it out. Total cook time, probably about 40 minutes because we slow cooked it. But look at him. And then Chef T is going to taste.
Yes, I am ready.
Yeah, Chef T say ready. So we're going to get ready to take these out. Y'all stay tuned. Chef T about to give us 1, 2, 3s on this. All right, y'all. This is what we're looking at.
I'm going in.
Chef T is right here. I should hand it off to you, Chef T.
I feel like a thirsty barracuda. He's talking to me. He's saying, "Eat me, eat me,
Chef T should,
eat me."
should let
Eat
y'all
you,
know
I
what's
shall.
going on with the
Yes,
fish head.
guy. So here we go. Let's flip it around because that's where all the goodness is. And we're gonna go. Ah, man. The smoke is right on point. It's not pungent. Flavor profile is good. A little sweet.
Man, how them necks feel,
Oh,
man?
man,
How them
Kevin.
fish collars taste?
Man, look at this. I'm speechless. Action speaks louder than words.
You getting up in it, man.
Yes.
So,
What can I
y'all,
say?
Don't be afraid to go in the store and get some fish heads. The collars and the face is probably where a lot of the good meat is.
Yes.
Louisiana, this is a delicacy. A lot of people in Louisiana cook fish heads, catfish
Yes.
heads and such. So don't be
See that?
afraid to cook it.
Not too
Chef
much
T
fat.
showing y'all, man.
Yes. Look at this right there. Oh, man. You rip it apart, man. Ah. Look at that.
Yes, sir.
No, please. Me like this right here. Oh, my gosh. You see the juice? Oh, the eye just fell out. You see that?
You gonna eat the eye, bro?
I'm looking at you. Oh, yeah. You want me to?
Do what you do, guy.
Yes, guy. I'll go in, guy.
All right, guy. What you gotta tell the people, guy? Last thoughts, guy, in quarantine. Quarantine your meals, guy. What is the last thoughts, guy?
Fish heads.
Y'all be blessed. Y'all cook. Take care of yourselves.
You might think it's gross, but it's good when it's roasted.
And just like what Chef T said, we out of here, y'all. Be
Yeah.
blessed.
Yeah, man.
Peace.
Deuces.
All right, y'all. I couldn't let Chef T have all the fun, man. Look at this, man. This is the collar of this salmon head. Look how much meat is on there. You can also see a smoke ring. But, man, do not be afraid to smoke these if you can find them in your grocery store. Boatload of flavor.
All right, y'all, coming to y'all live from the backyard. Hey, we starting a new challenge out here. I'm out here partnering up with my homeboy, Chef T.
What's up, y'all?
Yo, get in the kitchen, y'all. Support your local restaurants as you can, but this is a new challenge called #Season Your Meat. Quarantine Meals is real, y'all.
Yes, sir.
We out here cooking. We out here cooking our food, man. And we ask y'all to do the same. Stay out the streets. Season your meat.
So you can eat.
Social distance.